Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the best ones right now, alternatives to the Adobe Acrobat, and what are the things you have to be aware of. So the first one, very popular one, is PDF Exchange Editor. So this is the one that you can also check out, and it's like feature-rich versions, OCR, optical character recognition, annotations, highlighting, text editing, image insertion, digital signature, and it's on Windows only. So that's something you have to be aware of if you want to use it. So some advanced features require also paid license, and interface can be overwhelming for beginners. And this is something that you can check out. Now the next one, also very popular right now, is called PDF Gear. So it's complete free with no watermarks, full editing, converting, merging, OCR, modern intuitive interface, cross-platform, Windows, Mac, iOS, signs PDFs, add links, add images, AI assistant, ChatGPT powered, but it can slow down with really large PDFs, like some advanced batch processing features and AI features may not appeal to everyone. So again, the PDF Gear is very good, and this is something that I really like, so you can definitely check it out. Now, the next one that also I recommend to check out is PDF24. So 100% free for no limitations, feature rich, clean interface, lightweight, works offline, no watermarks, highly praised, but also by Reddit people. So again, the PDF24 could be also beneficial. I'm just going to check if there are also tutorials on it. Yeah, you have 5 years ago. So this one is this is something that you can actually check out. And the next one is the draw. This is kind of the ocular here. So the universal document viewer. So this one is also that you can check out. It's not bad. And then you're gonna have also the PDF, some basic. So free and open source, excellent for splitting, merging, rotating, extracting pages, cross-platform, simple clean interface, no watermarks, on basic features, reliable and stable. But it cannot edit text and content. It's only for manipulation. Advanced features like editing, OCR require paid PDF, some enhanced version. So that's something that I wanted to share with you. I hope this video provides a little bit of value, what you can actually expect. Primarily check out the PDF24, you get very good energy. The PDF Gear is also interesting one, that's something I like. And PDF Exchange, a little bit older one and not as intuitive, but still worth to checking out. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.